Good afternoon, welcome to Easy Custom 4x4. Our website is easycustom4x4.com. Here we just finished up this really cool, it's a little newer for us, it's a 2001 Jeep Wrangler TJ. Actually has a 4-cylinder motor, we put a new motor in it. Got new blue paint, got a little bit of lift to it, new 33s, all-terrain tires, new wheels, new soft top. Got it all rhino-lined inside and underside. New interior, new seats. Redid the dash. Take it down the road. This is a cool little Jeep. That noise you're hearing is the plastic, like always. We just got it fully aligned. If you guys are in the market for a Jeep like this, this is actually one we did for a customer, but we sell these. We sell a lot of CJ7s, CJ5s, CJ6s, the Scramblers. We sell them with all the fix-ups and everything. Just give us a call at 844 Easy Jeeps, that's 844 Easy Jeeps, or visit our website at easycustom4x4.com. Again, that's easycustom4x4.com. Thank you and have a great day.